So in this video, what we're going to be doing is replacing our basic light here with a smart fan. Now this smart fan is compatible with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, Siri, and comes with its own application that you can download from your phone if you don't have any of those voice assistants. So I'm going to go ahead and get this installed really quick. I'm going to tell you a little bit more about the product and take you over to the website and show you all of these smart fans that they have. Fans are one of the few things that are really lagging behind in smart home. So it's awesome to get a smart fan that will work with all of the popular voice assistants right out of the box. Hi, I'm Justin from Simply Smart, where we make smart home technology as easy as 1, 2, 3. So if you're interested in smart home technology, consider subscribing for more content like this. Also check out the video description for the 3 simple steps to start building your ultimate smart home. So if you go to their website, go to products and go to smart ceiling fans. Those are the ones that we're going to be interested in most here. They have all different kinds of different looking fans. So if you don't like the one that I chose, which I'll show you, let's go to best selling. Let's see what people are buying. So people are buying this one. Oh, someone put one in their kitchen. I'm actually thinking about doing that. Be nice to have some air moving in there. So maybe I'll grab one of these too. So they have all different ones. This one actually is for outside as well, looks like. But this is the one that I got right here, the Cranston, and this one is pretty cool. So let's take a look at some of their other fans. You're going to see this one a lot in the video, of course. They got a bunch of different ones here, and that's a pretty cool one right there. It's an interesting looking one there. I like that one as well. But as you can see, they have a ton of smart fans. Like, we're in the smart fan section, so obviously these are only smart fans. We'll just scroll through these, and then we'll show you how it works and connect it to Alexa and all that stuff as well. I'll leave the link to their site in the video description as well. So if you want to check out some of their fans, you can. Some different colors. These look pretty cool, how they have the blades at an angle like that. Pretty neat. I like how these look too. It's only $220. I mean, this high quality fan for $220, I mean, that's a really good deal. That is it. Those are all of the smart fans. All right, so if you're in the market for a fan, just check out their website, carrousa.com, and see if they have a fan that's going to meet your needs and obviously your smart home needs as well. Okay, so I have got the Carro Smart Fan installed now, and as you can see, it looks pretty awesome. There is a couple things that I don't really like about it. At the top here, that part that comes down doesn't go all the way down, so there's a crack there, and you can kind of see in there. Obviously, you'd have to be looking up at it to see that. And same thing at the top, the canopy that goes up, the screws that hold the canopy up, you can see those as well. Another weird thing is this thing is plastic, and you can actually see the LED lights behind it, which kind of looks cool, but I don't know if that's by design or what. But overall, this is a pretty awesome fan. The instructions were actually pretty good as well. So these are what the instructions look like here. And on the inside, you can see they actually have like colored diagrams and actually pretty good instructions. Just follow these instructions, basic. It did come with this remote control here. It's got a bunch of different features on here. You can change the fan direction, change the fan speed, turn off the fan. There's a nature button, which kind of does like a breeze function. You can turn on and off the light. You can change the color of the light, and you can change the brightness of the light. Now, to get this set up with SmartThings, I'm actually going to do another video on that using the Bond Hub. All right, so to get the fan set up with Wi-Fi, you need to download their application. It's just the Carro Home app, and it's the one right down here in the bottom right-hand corner. We're going to tap on that. When you first go in there, you're going to have to set up an account. So just go ahead and set up an account. So all we need to do now is add a device because we have no devices. So we're just going to tap add device, and instantly it pops up. So we're going to add that. And then at the top, you see the plus sign where it says Bluetooth device. Just tap on that. And then here, you're just going to want to put in your network information. And then what it's going to do is it's going to register your device to the smart cloud and initialize the device so it can be used on your Wi-Fi. And that will give it the ability to connect to other services like Alexa. All right, so you can see that has been added. And I did add this previously, so it did put a picture of the fan and it also has the name in that I added previously. For you, you're just gonna have to rename that and you are good to go. Tap on done. And there we go. So now the app is up and you can see that the fan is currently on 3, and this is a 10-speed fan. Most fans are 3 speeds. Not only does it have 10 fan speeds, but it also has the ability to change the color and brightness of the colors of the lights. So right now we have the yellow light at 32 and the white light at 25. So if I were to take that white light down, or actually let's just turn it off, just tap on the left there. So now the white light is off and the yellow light is on. And this is really cool because you can change the color of it, because you can add a little bit of white light to your yellow light and change it to different tones. So that is really neat. Another great thing is you can make it super dim. So this is actually 1%. I'm not even sure if you can tell if it's lit up on the camera or not. We just go up a little bit. There we go. So that's at 10%. So say if you wanted a little bit of light when you're watching TV, but not a lot, this goes down super dim. Most fans will not go this dim. So that is a really cool feature. So let's actually turn up the fan. So we're on 3 now. We could just slide the slider up to 10 and you can see it goes super fast. All right, and then you can, put it anywhere in between. So we can bring it down to 5 or whatever, whatever makes you comfortable. You'll probably find a speed that you like the best, a speed that's not going to get you cold, and a speed that's not going to make you too hot. So it's awesome to have actually 10 speeds to choose from. Now another thing you can do is at the bottom of the screen here, you have the summer. So the summer blows the air down, and that's what we're using right now. And if we tap on the normal, that's just normal wind, so it's just constant. If we tap on that, it turns to natural. You can see that the fan speed is now grayed out at the top, so you don't actually control that speed anymore. And what it will do is it will go down lower, and then it will go up higher, and it will just kind of like simulate a breeze outside. And then you also have an option to tap for sleep, and the sleep option just makes the fan really low. And I wish it really told you what speed it was on now, because obviously this is not 5. It just grays it out for some reason, but so that is cool to have that. Another thing you can do is obviously you can reverse the fan speed. We saw that on the remote control. So if we tap on summer, now you have it set to winter, and what it's going to do is completely stop and then start spinning the other way. All right, so there we go. All right, so now let's set it up with Alexa. So all we need to do is go ahead and open the Alexa app. Now, once you get into the Alexa app, you just want to go to More, and then you want to go to Skills and Games. All right, and then all you have to do is go to the top, tap on the little magnifying glass and type in Carro. All right, and then it's going to come up with the Carro skill. Tap on that, and then all we need to do is enable to use, and then you're just going to log in with your Carro credentials that you set up when you set up the app, and then just choose the application that you're going to be logging in with, and then you're going to put in your password. All right, so we have logged in, and then all you need to do is tap on authorize, and now we are authorized and it's connected to our Alexa app. So we're just going to tap on close there. And then what you're going to want to do is tap on discover devices. All right, and there you go. It says 3 devices found and connected. So we're going to tap on next here. So the devices that it found is living room fan, yellow light, and white light. So all we're going to do is tap on one at a time, and we're just going to set up each device. So living room fan, set up device. I mean, I guess we could put it in the living room group. Tap on continue, tap on continue, tap on yellow light, set up device, and tap on the living room again, add to group, continue, and then the white light, same thing. You can see 3 devices discovered at the top. That's going to always pop up when you have new devices that are found. That way it's easier to find them. So we're just going to tap on view there. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a dash in front of these names. That way they don't get lost in our list. And it's not going to affect how they work with your voice either. It will just skip over the dash. And then now we have our white light. So I'm going to rename this one as well. And I'm going to call it living room daylight. So that's basically, daylight and soft white. That's typically how you would reference these. All right, so I just named that living room soft white. And now you can see they're gone. So basically, once a new item is added and you tap on it, that little dot goes away and it puts it down with the rest of the list. So here we have our living room stuff that we added. So we have living room daylight, living room fan, living room soft white. So now we can tap on, say, the fan, and you can see that the fan is currently on speed 2. So obviously if we change the speed to 5, you hear that little beep. That's confirming that the command was sent. Alexa, living room fan 10. And there you go. So now it changed it to 10. Alexa, living room fan 1. All right, and there you go. Change the speed to 1. Same thing, if we go back out, we got to scroll down again. So living room daylight, we can go to that. Alexa, living room daylight 100%. All right, and there you can see it got a lot brighter in here. And obviously you can use the sliders as well. And then now you can use these in routines in your Alexa app. So now we have full control over the fan with our voice. And now we can also use this in Alexa routines, so we can create automations as well. So this is a really great fan. I love how it's smart right out of the box. It'll also connect to Google Home. So this will work with all the major smart home players there. And I'm going to show you how to get it set up with SmartThings in another video. So I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section. I read and respond to every single comment. Also check out the other videos on the screen now, and I will see you in the next video.